I have a new Turbo 2 here, and I'm interested to see on how well it performs over double slip switches and three-way switches. So let's take a run at it. First is a very short three-way Pico switch. After the three-way switch is a right-hand Pico short switch. Curve up a 2% grade to this switch, which is a curved switch. Long, straight away until the next curved switch. To a curve until we hit a slip switch. Another curve and through another curved switch, which I better throw in the right direction before I go. Start up our Turbo 2 and run it through first at a moderate speed through the complete loop, and then we'll do a high speed run at maximum speed.
What's that? All aboard! Ladies and gentlemen, the doors are closing. Please stand clear of the door steps. Mesdames et messieurs, éloignez-vous de la porte, s'il vous plaît. Ladies and gentlemen, Gilwood is the next station. Gilwood, la prochaine gare. Gilwood.
Full throttle and see how it passes these switches. Our trial at moderate speed and then full throttle, and it was successful through all switches. Hope you enjoyed.